Welcome back to Mad Investor. So today I'm coming to you with something very cool, as I've recently got a sample of the Cool Wallet. Isn't that cool? So with that wallet, I'm very happy that I can actually do a full kind of unboxing with you and also do a full review of that wallet. So are you ready? Let's dig into that. So I'm gonna actually open the wallet and let's see how it actually looks. So get started. Okay. That's how it looks. And it opens that way. So it opens this way and that way. Pretty decent. All right, so what we have here? Obviously, let's start with the wallet itself. All right, so this is the wallet. So you can actually see it here. It's like a card. It's literally a card. And I think, I thought it will be much thicker, but it's actually slim. It's literally like my bank card, but it has a screen, paper screen on the back. And this lovely dot, which you can actually see here, it's a button. So we'll see actually how it works. What else is in that lovely box? So this is a charger. All right, so I assume I'm gonna do like that. Okay, pretty cool. All right, so what else is here? Okay, almost stable, yeah. And the cable to charge it. All right, so I can see already a bit of a minus because it's working on the old standard, which is USB-A to micro USB, so no USB-C. I think that's something which can be improved in the future, but in general, it's pretty decent. So let's actually look at spec of that lovely wallet. I can actually see it's a Cool Wallet Pro. This is what I got. It's obviously looking at the 0.8 ultra thin with lightweight of 6 grams. That's pretty decent. It looks amazing. It supports 30 plus blockchains with 12,000 plus coins and tokens. There's option for POS staking feature, DeFi, NFT, and it connects through your to your phone through Bluetooth. So as you can see, that's how it looks. We can actually, I'm gonna actually show you the full kind of feature of it. Pretty decent, and that's exactly what we see here. So that's how the wallet look like. I'm gonna bring it a bit closer. And here, I think the charging point. So pretty great. Every box contains a Cool Wallet Pro charging set, get started guide, and the recovery phrases card. So this is, yeah, I think very decent. So in general, looking at the spec, so this is something which I'm going to cover before I'll show you how to actually connect and how does it work. We see that it has a EAL6 rated secure element chip with encrypted AES-256 Bluetooth. So that means we're connecting through Bluetooth to that device. So that means it's a phone to the app, and it makes it very easy on the go, because obviously you can actually stick it to your wallet, normal wallet, the cold wallet in the wallet, like wallet in the wallet. All right, coming back, we can see it has advanced cold pressing tech, permanently inoperable when disassembled. It's credit card size, and it's waterproof and tamper-proof. So it's very secure anywhere, anytime. Waterproof, I think it's a very big feature, because in general, if something happens, like your credit card's also waterproof, right? So, and it supports mobile app, Android and iOS platform with over 30 plus blockchains. Pretty cool. So let's see how it actually works. We can see that there are two versions of it, which is Wallet Pro and Wallet S. Today we are reviewing the Wallet Pro. All right, you ready? So let's actually set it up. Let's turn it on and let's see how it works. So I'm gonna turn it on and let's. Hello. All right. So it actually shows me, because I was just just seeing how does it work. So it's like a paper. It's like a paper display. So it looks pretty cool. Let me actually show you that here. Pretty cool. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to set it up with the phone. So I'm going to go with my phone now. I downloaded already the Cool Wallet app, and I did the basic setup. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to activate the wallet. So I'm gonna press activate now. It says please press long one, so I'm gonna do it now with you so you can see it. How does it work? Pressing hello, and yes, my phone asks me, is that this device? Well, yes. Pair, please switch on. All right. Pair a card. Please wait. Okay, I would like to create a new wallet. So now, this recovery phrase is essential. Okay, so by app or higher security by card. So what kind of way I'll have the recovery phrase? I'll do it by app because it says it's easier, and I'm just doing that for you, but you can do it by card, which, you know, it will probably more either secure. So I'll press generate recovery phrases, and I have those. This is just a sample wallet, so obviously it's not a wallet that I'm going to be using. Okay, I already wrote down, that's what I need to press. And now it asks me, please select the words of your recovery phrase in the right order. Okay, so we have reveal, pressing verify. All right, after you'll just verify it, so we'll see how it works. So you can actually, you know, if you just are learning about how to set it up, this is the video for you, because you might went to that chapter. Then asks me what coin would I like to add. I don't know, I'm gonna choose BNB, BSC, maybe some Arbitrum, and yeah, that, as you can see, there's plenty of coins here. So I'm gonna press add to wallet. Adding coin 30%, so it just takes a few seconds to set it up. Okay, and awesome. So as you can see now, I have a cold wallet set it up, and I have like an option on the top which says cold wallet and hot wallet, so I can actually have both on it. So if I want, I can set up a hot wallet here as well. It's probably for some swaps, but I'm gonna keep it on the cold wallet now. All right, so here, awesome, I can do crypto, I can do staking. So you can see you have many options for staking. You have options to store NFTs, and you can easily also go to marketplace and actually swap the coins. So that's actually pretty cool. So within that, how does it exactly work to you know, send and receive things? So I'm gonna press, you know, crypto, I'm gonna go to, let's say, BSC, and yeah, I can see my address. I'm gonna press receive, right? So with the receive, it's gonna give me the address, which is okay. But if I'm gonna press send, and I'm gonna choose, let's say, BNB, yeah, I'll need to put something on the wallet first. So let me actually just put some BNB as a test so I can actually see how does it work, and obviously just send it out after. I just received the assets, which is $5 on that wallet, right? So what I can do right now is I can actually, you know, send it to someone else, or I can just keep it on the wallet. Will I see the actual amount on the wallet? Unfortunately, no. So I saw that if you actually want to see on the wallet itself, you will only see the Bitcoin amount, Ethereum, and I think a few others. Oh, let me see if I'm pressing the button. Litecoin, yeah. So kind of like the big ones, as you can see. But it's cool because it's still, I think it's okay, because on the app you see everything. And on the app itself, you can directly purchase from here. So I think that's also pretty cool. So it says crypto purchase, and yeah, you can actually use credit cards to buy crypto with it, and they will use MoonPay, Banksa, or Simplex to buy it. So easy way also to buy it. So with that, you can actually buy crypto with that card. Like you can buy crypto and put it on the cold wallet. Sorry, that's what I meant, and do it with the card. And I think that's pretty decent. So you put the amount of USD or kind of what other currency you use. There's plenty of those which you can choose from here. You can also send, and that's what I wanted to check as well. So if I would choose BNB, which I have already, and so let's say I'm gonna put the BSC which I've prepared. So yeah, this is the wallet which I just prepared, and I'm gonna put yeah, let's say 0.006. So it's kind of like the minimum, like sorry, the half of what I have here. Then press next, right? So now what happens? it says transaction confirm, fee will be like 0, probably 00 something, right? So it's 250, okay. From this address to this address, and I press continue. And then what happens? Place your fingertip on the sensor, so it's here, and then I need to confirm it with the card. So please connect the card. So I'm now turning on the card. It says please wait. And will I have like a double authentication? That's something which I'm interested in. Okay, press the card to confirm. Okay, so you actually need to confirm. It says BSC on the card, so I'm making a transfer BSC, and I need to just press it to confirm. Okay, press. Okay, I just pressed the card. Please reveal information. Press the button and confirm. Okay. Oh, it shows me the address. Okay. So I'm confirming the address. So confirm the address if it's correct. I think that's very good. Part 3, part 4, okay. Part 5, the ending is the same, good. Shows you the amount. And says press the button. Okay, I'm pressing the button. Send. All right, and as easy as that, that's how you kind of send it off. But that's not the end, because you can also set up like a second verification to it in a way. So I found that if you go to the settings, if you go to security settings, you can set the password. So that means, let's say I'm going to set the password M12345678, M12345678, which means that this will be an extra layer of security when this is done, right? So screen lock, biometric authentication, and it's like an extra security for everyone who's using that. All right, so that's pretty cool. Before I actually go to other setting, because I just want to show you a bit of a swap and the hot wallet, just remember, if you want that card, there is a special link for you in the description of this video, so you can order it and, you know, be the proud owner, as, you know, I think, you know, it might be good thinking, but I'm gonna actually tell you fully what I think about it at the end of this video. So then we're going to marketplace, and you can see that with the marketplace, there are options kind of to, you know, swap. There's staking, swapping. You can use dApps like Wallet Connect. You can connect to MetaMask or via QR code. So I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, and it also shows you some trending news. You have a basic browser, which most of the wallets like Clever has and stuff like that. So I think that's decent, and also shows you the history, and you have the basic settings, right? So that's cool. I can also go to swap, and let's see if I will be able to swap, let's say, BNB to TRX, right? So BNB, I'm gonna put that, yeah, I want to swap to this. Yeah, this amount, enter the amount. So I want to do 0.006 because that's the amount I should have left in the wallet. If it's not, okay, it says, so that's what will happen. And I thought it will, because I didn't thought that they will actually do it. They use a service provider. So it's either Changely or the Change Hero. As you can see here, the minimum amount is 0.08 and the Change Hero is 0.09, which makes sense because I just sent here just pennies, just, you know, to see how it works. Or you can use the fixed rate option, which, you know, it will set in the right moments, and I think it's pretty decent. All right, so this is when it comes to the card itself. What I think about this card. I think it's a great idea to put a card that you can actually have it with you on the go. I think this is Cold Wallet, which is a very easy and secure way to keep your money on, you know, not on an exchange, and at the same time not on a hot wallet, because it's much safer here. Obviously, you can still use that hot wallet option. So you saw it that I have the hot wallet here. and I can press activate now, and I can actually set up the hot wallet, or I can import the hot wallet, so it will literally have a wallet on this app. But I think it's a great kind of thing, and I totally recommend everyone, if you like to have money secure, not only on hot wallets like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, but actually have something more secure to keep it on, then this is definitely the answer to have it on the go. Well, this is it from me. Remember, there is a link in the description of this video to actually grab a hold of that cool wallet, because it's definitely, as the name states, a cool wallet. This is it from me. It's Rafał Sybilla here. Remember, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe so you won't miss any of the new videos, and see you in the next one. Take care.